front of me is OnePlus Nord CE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. So first, go into Devices Settings and then scroll all the way down right away. Over here, hit Accessibility and Convenience and hit one-handed mode. Now it's time to activate it thanks to gray switcher right next to it. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. Now to use it, follow those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that now, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!